Welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Naturally the Uni. And today's video we're going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. Valentine's Day is coming up and I thought I'd get a head start. On a tutorial for Valentine's Day, and I love how this one came out. Last year I did a red glitter look. I'll probably link that somewhere around here, but yeah, last year I did a red glitter look. Today I decided to go with pink. I love how this turned out. I hope you enjoy it. I used the Modern Renaissance palette and the Morphe 36B palette. I didn't do any of the foundation routine on camera. All I did is highlight and do my lipstick. And yeah, I got these eyelashes from Posh Luxuries, and here's all their information. I think these eyelashes are gorgeous, and they're mink eyelashes. And there's a video coming on this hair soon. If you want to see that, stay tuned for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and see you later, guys. To moisturize my skin, I'm using the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizing Super Cream. For my eyebrows, I'm using my ABH Dipbrow in the shade Dark Brown. To clean up my brows, I'm using my Colourpop concealer in the shade 60 Deep Gold. For my transition shade, I'm using Raw Sienna from my Modern Renaissance palette. The first shade that I'm packing down is Real Guard. Now I'm taking the shade Vermeer to highlight the inner corner of my eye and my brow bone. Now taking the same brush that I used to apply Raw Sienna, I'm using this brush and I'm blending out all the colors to make sure everything is seamless. Using the shade Love Letter, I'm packing that onto the crease of my eye. Going into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this purple shade and I'm using it to darken up my crease. Going back into Love Letter, I'm using this just to make sure that the pink still pops. To cut the crease, I'm using my LA Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain, And I'm going to let this play at regular speed just so you can see how much work I go through when I'm cutting the crease, and it doesn't always come out perfect the first time. Powder in the shade Banana, I'm going to be setting my crease.
Look at those palm trees, damn.
Taking the deeper purple from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to be darkening up the outer part of the 3/4 cut. In the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to apply this to the lid, and this is optional because I'm going to be applying glitter to the same place. More of Love Letter just to make sure that it was as vibrant as I wanted it. Using this NYX glitter primer, I'm applying the glitter where I applied the pink shimmer shade. To line my eyelids, I'm using the NYC liquid eyeliner. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie in the shade Teddy. That is the end of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.